Oh yeah. I'm sure everyone's seen these things before, and this is as you see, it's a small one. What must happen is it kept sucking the container in, so this is an old paint tub. So I thought it might be a good idea to try and rig it up again. This one is particularly small. It's not as big as the Dust Deputy, but it was cheap, and I've already took the screws out of this. So it's still got sawdust in it. Oh lovely, oh lovely. Yeah, not a good idea. Don't do that. And yeah, I had it attached to the lid with some bolts. I took most of the bolts out, to be honest, it seems. So let's take that off there. So that is now relegated. That's going to be used for something else, like, I don't know. So this is what we had. We had this Cyclonic attachment in nylon. Your main hose that you use for your tools, etc., go in here. And they go, and the heavies then end up in the bottom. They go through that hole, which should be your container. In this case, I'm going to do an upgrade. Now, I've got this old cider making container I bought last year, and I didn't have a lot of success with cider, but it's strong. You know, it's strong, you know, nice and thick and strong. Plus, it's easy to open. How easy is that? And then the lid comes off. Right, and it's got a seal in there as well. Oh my god, it's still got apples stuck in it. It stinks nasty. Yuck. Anyway. Oh, that smells foul. But kind of boorish at the same time. Everyone loves their own brand, don't they? So I think that's it. That goes on there, and you can put very quick and easily tighten up, and there you have it. You have a watertight container, which is obviously airtight. That's what you need. And this is going to be mounted on top of that. So I've got to make a hole, the same size as that. It'll sit on top of there, and then I've got to make. And I'm going to use this for a fixed system. So it's not going to be something I cart about. It's not going to be something that I'm portable and I'm going to cart around the workshop. It's going to be fixed on the other side of the wall, so I don't have to listen to the hoovers. And occasionally I'll come and empty it. The only downside of this is because it's not clear, you can't see when it's full, which is a bit problematic, but I'll be right. This is one of the things you've got to help with, isn't it? I keep dropping stuff. There you go. So that's effectively what we're going to have. So first of all, I've got to open this smudgy container up again. And this is what's going to use it before. I know it works, but I'm just going to upgrade the container because the old container under the vacuum would squeeze up. Yeah, and what I did do at the time, I actually had a little wooden thing inside to stop the sides squeezing up, but it's just ridiculous. So I'm going to use this instead. I didn't use it before, if I remember right, it's because I had cider in it. Cider, scrumpy. You've got to have it scrumpy. You know, why do I keep smelling that? God, I don't know, what's that one side over there? God. The lid is all you need to use at this stage. So first of all, I need to create a hole. I need to know what size that hole is. And the size of this hole is 65mm. So effectively I need to find a hole saw, that one there. I need a hole saw around 65mm. So there's hole saws here. Have I got one there, 65mm? Right, the easiest way really is just to put it on there. Yep, that was perfect actually. First time lucky. So if I put that on there like so, you can see I've still got my fixings. So we've got the flange there, and the fixings are still shown. So the hole wouldn't be too small because it's over the top of this edge. So it's going to be the right size. So I use the arbor and a hole saw. And it's a drill hole in here. So I'll use it here like so. That's it. And a that your drill should do. It's quite easy to get the centre because if it's got there, it's a big stay. There's a dimple in the middle, and that is my hole. Well, that will be my hole. That's going to be where I drill this hole. So there's no going back once I do this. What you've got to watch out when you're drilling into plastic is it can grab. Alright, so sometimes a good idea is actually into thin plastic with this, let's go backwards. Like that. Oh, not quite. Done one side, but the other. Got that smell. How did you get off? Right, so there's our disc. Right, so now we've got that. Hello. We have our lid with this hole in the middle. God, that smells. That's such a pong. That is such a pong, it is. So now all I need to do now is drill through screw holes, and I'll use the same bolts again, and a little bit of silica around there so it's gas tight. Otherwise it's just going to leak, which is not obviously very good. Any leaks, if you have any leaks, you're going to get less suction, as simple as that. You've got to get that smackers around that flange there, like that, and then put the bolts through. So effectively that's what we end up having, so that's what I'm going to do next. So we take our Dust Deputy copy from China in miniature form. I looked in the middle here, make sure it's not showing any of the blue, so make sure it's central. I then get a pen. In this case I'm going to use a permanent marker and just push that down the middle there. So I get a dot on at each hole. Now, this is like the 4 volts I've got here, so the hole still need to be very big. Yeah. So it's big enough so there's a little bit of slack for the movement. I'm drilling into the wood effectively. If I now grab the Dust Deputy copy, I'm sure Dust Deputy are happy about this. Not. I'll clean it off first because it's old anyway. We should clean it off anyway. So the silicone itself, it doesn't matter if it sticks, it just creates this gasket. I know we've got a nozzle on there, but the nozzle's full of goo. Let's go off. Goo around there. Not very neat, but doesn't really matter. Now I'm just going to take this, take the box out again, and then realign, a little bit of wiggle. I'm using washers on the heads as well as the nuts, so that spreads the load. You're talking using thin plastics here, so there's nothing really, there's no meat there, is there? It needs So I just need to spread the load under the actual heads of the screws. Apparently, this is where I keep my small nuts. they need to be tightened just enough so it doesn't, hand tight enough. The silicone there will stop them coming undone and disappearing into the bucket. So we have this here, which is a Cyclone that are attached to the lid, and that's going to go on top of this plastic container. Remember there's a gasket in there as well. And then we're going to use this special clamp, which goes over the top here like so. Now, when all the hoses are attached, you won't very easily be able to take it off the top. So all I do is you just line up like so and just clamp it. And that pulls the lid down onto that gasket. So that is one fermenting bin, quite often used for cider, etc. It's a food preservation container. Quite common in France, but you can get them anywhere. To be honest, you get bigger ones than that. I don't need one any bigger than that for a small Cyclone like this one here. And if you can see on there, it's got lots of Chinese writing on it. China, Nantong. There's a telephone number on there. I don't know if it's valid anymore. I've had this one for a couple of years. Pretty much a year of it's been doing nothing. But it'll be there'll be other ones up on Amazon. I'll try and find them and put a link down below so you can. Right, I've temporarily, just for the purpose of showing you guys, joined it to the little Hoover. There's a little Nil Fisk Hoover. It's only about 20 litres, 15-20 litres, 18 litres it is. And it's always filling up too quick, so that's the other reason to do this. And also the filter would get all clogged up. So what I've done is I've taken the hose off the bottom here, sort of large diameter hose. At the moment it's just laying on top of there at the moment. It's just, the hose comes up here like so, and it's literally just resting on top of the dust deputy. I've just got to think of a solution for that. And then I've got a piece of ducting, cable ducting here, and a bit of tape in there just to do a temporary arrangement. I was thinking about this, I might actually rig this up onto a trolley. So I've basically got board wheels on the bottom so I can move it about the workshop. I might not put it next door. The only thing is this Hoover, since my wife decided to use it hoovering up ash from the fire, it's never been the same, and it's noisy now. Used to be quite quiet, but it's not now. It's a bit of a pain. So if I turn that on, again, turn it on. Well, I've put light behind the actual dust deputy, hobby, it's not actually dust deputy, just so you can see what's actually going on, what's actually happening with the sawdust as it enters the Cyclone, and you can actually see the cyclonic effect. So here we go, I'm going to turn her on again. I think I need a new Hoover for this though, because it's very noisy. So I'm just going to have a look what's inside the actual. So this is only bodged on at the moment. Move this light out of the way before it blinds me. Oh, you've had with it. Okay, so I just took the hoses off, as you can see, and let's have a look what's inside. Yeah, I know it's heavier, so obviously definitely heavier. So let's take it off there like so. And what do we have in there? We have about a bucket full of shavings and sawdust and God knows what else in there. So it does work, but the telltale sign is going to be, let's see, what is in the Hoover. Handhold this, I'm sorry if it's a bit shaky. Let's see what's in there. Oh, not a dicky bird. So is that it after all that lot? There's a filter. It's got one or two little shavings I got through. Major. So yeah, that's pretty good. That is quite impressive. Why haven't I been using it? Why on earth didn't I use this before? Because if all that dust is getting through there into that bucket, there's less going to be going through the actual filters of the vacuum itself and ending up back into the air that you're breathing. So yeah. It's a mess in here. Sorry, but it's a bit of a mess. I hope you found this of interest. If you'd be most kind and subscribe, and thumbs up, share, and whatever else you do on there, that'd be very much appreciated.